I'm going to give the copy. I have tweeted it also to the Honorable Speaker on 9th of this month. It was received by the Office of the Speaker on 10th. And I had requested to the Honorable Speaker that because of this COVID, that the assembly session should be held on virtual basis. And Honorable Speaker till today has not even replied me, even though he has received my petition on 10th of July. It is now nearly 17 days I have not received a reply. In all humility, let me say, I don't write letters to the Speaker. As the senior member of this House, this is my 7th term. When I had written a letter to the Speaker, Speaker should have at least replied to me. Now the question is, legislature, executive and judiciary. These are the three pillars of a democracy. And legislature is independent and autonomous. If a child in the primary school is studying online, why can't the honorable members of this House run the House on this basis? Today we are going to pass 22,000 crores of rupees budget. Yesterday we have borrowed 100 crores. I have no problem. But you know, the budget was moved at a particular time when the situation was different. The priorities were different. The revenue was expected on a certain line. The expenditure was expected on a certain line. Today, because of this COVID, we understand the government is in trouble, and we are ready to sit with the government because all our energies must be together. As an opposition, I must say we are ready to cooperate with the government because these are very difficult times and we have to understand. But definitely the priorities have changed. The government priorities have changed because of this COVID pandemic, and therefore I feel today we don't mind to even approve the budget, but the budget has to be discussed. The new priorities have to be discussed. There should be a revised budget within a month. If they want to take the money, they can take on vote on account. But definitely, we cannot just pass the budget as it is, because nobody will agree that the priorities have changed, the revenue modalities have changed, the expenditure has changed, and therefore the budget has to be revised, put it before the House, and we can have a virtual session. I am not just complaining as an opposition. I am giving constructive because these are difficult times and the Speaker has to think out of the box. If this primary student can study on virtual basis, why not the assembly run on virtual basis? This is my view. And therefore I am going to take it just now, before the starting of the session, that my letter which was written, because people are the masters, we have to serve them. COVID, fine. Difficult times, fine. Government is in problem, we understand that. And we are ready to cooperate with the government, provided the Speaker acts independently. Speaker's legislature is autonomous, and therefore I feel that we should have taken this decision.